Hey everyone, it's Catherine Gage, also KGbeautywithin, Mary Kay Independent Beauty Consultant, and I'm home because we have really bad weather in JC. It's icing, and I did make it half a day, but I decided to go ahead and come to the house because it was steady coming down, and it's steady icing up as I speak. You can see how the ice is coming down, and so I decided that I better go to the house because I did not want to risk falling because I'm still repairing or mending from the surgery last year, so I'm still on a cane. So I'm gonna do some things a little bit later. I think I'm gonna crank out a couple of videos. I've been feeling under the weather all week, so I have not really put any makeup on all week. I have not felt like putting makeup on at all. I haven't even put a lipstick. I kind of feel out of place because I love to put on my makeup, but it's just been one of those times just recovering. So, but I'm gonna be doing some filming. I thought I was gonna fall, but I made it in the house okay. So now I'm just gonna take off my coat and do, get myself together so I can just relax for a little bit. I can't wait to get to my beautician. I found her. She's gonna get my hair done, but I don't know when I'll be able to do that. I'll probably bring you all along when I do that. It's probably gonna have to be next week now because we got bad weather again. We just did a whole lot this year. 2019, we really had a successful 2019 KG Beauty Within. I call it the KG Beauty Within Ministries because when we do things for the community, it's a ministry, it's a service, and I really do appreciate it. But we had 10 dialysis care package that we gave out in March, which we'll be running we'll be doing that again. The dialysis care package always go out in March in honor of my cousin Christopher Glasser for the Christopher Glasser Foundation. He was born March the 7th but died March the 4th, 2001, 4 days before his birthday. So I always try to do the dialysis care package during that time in honoring him and also in honoring my cousin Derek and my father and whoever else had dialysis issues or kidney issues. So we'll be doing that in March. February, hey baby. Hey baby. Yeah, I made it. There go my mama, she's singing, so y'all never mind her. For February, I'm gonna get a calendar. I think what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna get a calendar so everybody can know when the KG Beauty Within is gonna be doing something for the community, or we're gonna have some type of care package just going out. But February, we're gonna do the care package for my residential care facility, the nursing home. The fuzzy socks were not in during Christmas time, and so I was not able to give them the fuzzy socks. So I'm gonna give them their fuzzy socks for Valentine's Day, and plus I want to probably give them like a lip balm. So if you want to help sponsor that, that's going to be just $12. So if you want to help sponsor that, I will be having some different flyers out. But if you want to take part of that and if you want to donate a lip balm to one of the residents, I have a total of 31 residents that are in this facility now. God has blessed me to be able to partner with them, and I partnered with them throughout the year. So I'm looking forward to doing some things with them as far as giving some facials out to the ladies, and just being there for them, and doing going to visit and things like that. And I would bring you along if it's allowed, because with the HIPAA law, you have to be cautious of when you are able to do these. But I would definitely take a picture and let you all know that I've done it. I just want you all to know, when you sow a seed into the KG Beauty Within family, or KG Beauty Within, which is me. But when you sow a seed into KG Beauty Within, I'm almost about to make that an LLC, because of the fact it is an LLC. It is LLC copyrighted. I do have my copyright on it now, where it's KG Beauty Within, it's mine, and I also have my DBA. But I'm thinking about going ahead and making it an LLC, because of the fact this is something that God gave me, and and I want to make sure that brand is protected. The life of an entrepreneur is never done. You may take a break and take a rest and take some relaxation, but there's always something to do to build your business. So I'm gonna push through this. You don't let things stop you. And if you get behind, or things don't work out like you planned, just keep pushing. You may have to, walk away from it for a while, do something else, get your mind off of it. But the ultimate thing is, don't give up. That's the ultimate. Ain't that right, Mama?
Don't give up. Never give up.
What you say, Mama?
Don't never give up. It get hard sometimes, but keep on pushing. Don't never give up. I tell my whole family.
That's what Mama always tell me, and because she tells me that, I believe I can do anything I've set my mind to do. So, I want to put some makeup on, so I may do a video with doing some makeup, because I have not had makeup on all week. So I kind of want to put some makeup on, so we'll see. But this is life. This is a day in the life, so hey. If we get makeup on a day, we're going to consider ourselves doing great. Mama, you need to go to sleep. She's sitting up here fighting sleep. Like a little kid sitting up here fighting sleep.
Fight to sleep. It ain't time yet to go to bed.
You know what I found out? Blogging takes a lot of work. So, shout out to all you bloggers that do this on a regular. It takes a lot of work, but it's okay. It's okay to bring you along and let you see what I'm doing. But boy, shout out to all the bloggers out there. I got this idea from the E Club. I'm in the E Club. Erin on Demand is over it. Her real name is Erin Winters. But if you haven't checked out her videos, they are great entrepreneur videos. And I'm so happy that I joined the club for $20, you all. I got godfathered in for 20 because I think she went up to 30, and really and truly it's worth every penny of it because we have YouTube audits, we have Instagram audits, we have mastermind classes. She bring guests in to teach us about SEOs and about managing your business and things like that. So it's a great investment for $20, and you all know that I'm intentionally building my team this year. So if you all want to join the KG Beauty Within God is Faithful Destiny Unit, then please get with me. Ask me more questions about it. I would be glad to sit down with a cup of coffee and just go over some things, let you know my heart, and let you know who I'm looking for. I'm looking for the lady that just want extra income, if you're the one that just want flexibility, if you're the one that have some dreams and goals and you just want to start a business to get those dreams and goals, I'm looking for you. If you're busy, I'm looking for you, because you know what? You can sprinkle your Mary Kay business into every aspect of your life, because we believe in God first, family second, and career third. You put all three of those things in perspective and everything do fall in place. I promise you, these 6 years have been one of some of the amazing years of my life. I have met so many great people along the way, so many mentors, nationals that pour. Okay, so I got one of my videos edited. I'm still working on finishing up some videos. It's getting a little late and I'm getting a little tired. But since I've had these surgeries, I don't have energy like I would love to have. But you have to keep on moving. But I did a video about little smokies and I've edited, so I use my tube buddy. A lot of people want to know how to get the topics and search the topics, so I use my tube buddy. I have a pro subscription that I pay for. I think it's about $14 a month, I believe it's $19. No, I'll take it back, it's $19. But anyway, it's letting me know that this is a good topic. It's named the search would be something that's searchable. So I had to keep on. I use my iMovie a lot to download, to get my videos. I use my iMovie on the phone. So I have that already ready to export. And so now I'm going to have to work on getting my thumbnail. Canva to do that. So I'm gonna go to Canva to do that. Okay, y'all, I just finished doing the video. It was a little later than what we anticipated. We had hoped to get that done on the day that I first started doing the blogging, but of course, you know, I wasn't feeling all together well, so we got it done. So you all will be seeing that. So I was able to get the editing done and also crank out a video and announce the winners for our 1100 subscribers. So stay tuned for that video. I'm happy to get that done, and this is the end of day in the life of an entrepreneur who has a full-time job. We'll be doing more. I hope you all enjoyed this, but I'll be bringing you along for a little bit more. So okay, I'll see y'all later. I'm fixing to go to bed. Bye.